To fix the purchase not completed issue on Roblox, here's what you can try. First, close the Roblox app completely. Then, head over to the App Store and search for Roblox. Make sure the app is up to date. If you see an Update button, tap it. If it only shows Open, that means the app is already updated. The second method, and most likely the cause of the issue, has to do with your device's date and time settings. Go into your settings and search for Date and Time. Once there, check whether it's set automatically. If it is, turn it off and set the time manually. If it's set manually, turn on the automatic option. This small adjustment can make a big difference. If the problem still isn't solved, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Press and hold the Roblox icon, tap on Remove App, and then delete it. After that, go back to the App Store and reinstall Roblox. That's it. Hopefully, this helps fix the issue. If it did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.